Hi friends, let's start with our series of solving HackerRank practice problem. Today we are going to solve a problem named Introduction to Nim Game from the algorithm section and of the game theory subsection. So the problem statement is, the Nim is one of the famous two-player game. The basic rule of the game are as follows. A game starts with a number of piles of stone. There could be an n piles of stone, and the number of stone in each pile may not be equal. So all the piles would have different number of stones. A player can alternatively pick up one or more stones from the pile. The player to remove the last stone, or the player who have made the last move and the next player would not have any more moves left, so that player would win the game, and the other player who does not have any more moves to make would basically lose the game. So this is the basic concept. So as you could understand, if you have read the Nim problems, is basically in this case you have to divide. You have to, means it's called a power of 2 game. So basically, for example, 3 power of 2 would be like 2 plus 1. So it would be 2 to the power 1 plus 2 to the power 0 equal to 3. So basically you have to divide this, divide the piles of stone into power. So there, means it's a very big concept. So today I'm not going to explain you in each and every details of the Nim game concept, but I will basically show you the how to proceed to this answer. But for a more general understanding and to solve more complex problem from the Nim theory, I would suggest you to go and read the concept. And I will also link you a proper video explanation. It should be around 12 minutes for the Nim theory in the video description. So I have already written this. So for example, if there are two players, 1 and 2, and two identical towers, player 2 would always win. So for example, any move made by player 1 in tower 1 can be made by player 2 in tower 2. However, if the towers are not equal, player 1 will be win. He can make the tower identical. Mathematically, num XOR number, it is equal to 0, then player 2 would win, else player 1 will win. So basically in here there are three towers, 6, 5 and 3. You could decompose this into 4, 2, 4, 1 and 2, 1. See, as I told you, all are the power of 2. 4 is a power of 2, 2 is a power of 2, again 4 is a power of 2, and 1 is a power of 2, means 2 to the power 0 it become 1. So this is the basic concept, and if after rearranging, we could see that there are two towers of identical height, therefore player 2 will win mathematically. Or 6 or 5 or 3, means these are all the towers length. If it's equal to 0, then the player 2 would win. If not equal to 0, then the player 1 will be winning. So mathematically we have to just create this function, but Nim theory is much bigger concept. So basically to solve this, if you're we have to just make this, we have to apply this concept of XORing all the length of the tower. So we will start with our code. We will also go to see what's the input constraint. So basically it says that the first line would contains the integer or the number of piles, and next n space integer the number of stones in each pile. Okay, so this is a basic concept. And also the first one I think is the number of test cases. It is the piles of stone. It should be least and we'll be performing a XOR operation. So basically we'll be initializing the x into 0 for stones in piles, x XOR equal to stones print 0. So basically here we are performing the XOR operation. As you could see, this concept could be applied for more than 3 numbers, or basically more number of piles. So if there are n number of piles, it could be like 6 XOR 5 XOR 3, means basically 6 is the number of stones in that pile, so basically up to n, and if that value is coming to 0, player 2 to win, else player 1 would be win. And we are also doing the same thing here, so it's basically like 5 lines of code, and I will run the program. Is it working? Who knows? Is my internet working? Okay, my internet is not working. Let me connect my mobile internet. Sorry for the disturbances. I think it is working now. Yeah, so it passed all the test cases properly. Let's submit the code. Come on, man. Yeah, so thanks for watching, and stay tuned tomorrow for the next video. And I also will be attaching you to a basic concepts of the Nim theory, or the power of 2 concept in the game theory. And to solve game theory problem, you could also read some books. There are varieties of books on game theory, so I think that would come very handy. So thanks for watching, and stay tuned for the next video.